Motorola is having another smartphone Moto Edge that is expected on the 22nd of this month. So be ready for a smartphone with everything that you want. The specs of the phone are on high. The upcoming smartphone of the company Motorola Moto Edge is packed with a powerful chipset that is called Snapdragon 765. This is a mid-range chipset that will provide you with good performance. The chipset that you will find on this Motorola's Moto Edge is 6 GB. The internal storage capacity of the phone is also enough to store a huge amount of data on the phone for future use. You will get 128 GB of internal storage on the Motorola Moto Edges. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a quad camera setup as usual. The main sensor of the camera squad will be 64 megapixels, the ultra-wide angle will be 16 megapixels, the Moto Edge by Motorola has got 8 megapixels telephoto lens and the depth sensor of the handset will TOF 3D. The front-facing camera on the phone is 25 megapixels. Motorola Edge will be having 6.7 inches OLED capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors, multi-touch. It will present a full HD plus the resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The upcoming Motorola Moto Edge. You can also enhance the storage capacity of the handset a great deal. For data protection, there is a fingerprint reader on the back of the coming Motorola Moto Edge that will ensure that your data will be safe on the handset because only you will have access and no other person can reach your data on the phone. The new Moto Edge has got LiPo non-removable 4500 mAh. So you will get enough power like Samsung brands to get high-end results. It also carries support for fast charging. Processor. CPU. Octa-core, 1x2.4 GHz Cryo 475 Prime plus 1x2.2 GHz Cryo 475 Gold plus 6x1.8 GHz Cryo 475 Silver. Chipset. Qualcomm SDM765 Snapdragon 765